Here we are, our craziest, just come back from our craziest adventure yet. Who would have thought that building this crazy little boat would take us all the way to get to go for a ride in the fastest V8 jet sprint boats in the world. Absolutely phenomenal. Huge thank you to Dwayne and Mitch at the Tweed Valley Jet Sprint Club for making this happen. Chris Edmonds and the crew on Yippee taking me for a ride in that phenomenal boat. Also, Zach got to go for a ride with Paul Hill and the Slicer. Phenomenal. We really appreciate you welcoming us into it, and really appreciate you guys for getting behind the channel. The Jet Boat series was our biggest series so far, video wise. It eclipsed the Junkyard's Monaro. The jet boats are popular at the moment. And yeah, you guys got behind it. A lot of you guys have been with us from the start and got behind it and bought merch and stuff like that. I really appreciate that. That sort of support helps us grow the channel and helps us know we're moving in the right direction. So huge thanks to you guys. I'm blown away that if it wasn't for you guys supporting what we do by watching, liking, subscribing, we wouldn't get invited to this sort of stuff, because people wouldn't see the channel grow and see that, you know, that we're doing something cool. So it's actually thank you to you guys, because you've made this happen and you've made it possible for us to go and film such cool content. So please continue that support. We really appreciate it. We've got a new shirt coming out for the jet boat, so yeah, if you can spare $35, jump on the website. They're up there live now, and yeah, huge thanks from the bottom of my heart for that. It's appreciate the support. And yeah, crazy little jet boat. You haven't seen the last of it yet. I will get that thing to Peel Island, don't you worry about that. But we had a little detour because we got invited to the opening round of the Jet Sprint World Series, so we had to take it down, put it on display, and yeah, you guys will see all that stuff this episode, and enjoy. This was a really cool episode. We've enjoyed making it, that's for sure. Thanks for following the channel. Don't forget, like and subscribe. So here we are, we're about to go for a lap. 2,000 horsepower blown small block Chevy, right up my alley. Boat. I am pumped.
Alright, Harry.
Yeah, a bit of help.
There's a centre belt there. Pull that up through your bloody ball sack there. Get him up. Yep. Alright, shoulder strap up over your arms.
I've got to find him.
Get you up over the headrest. Straighten your arms up.
Yeah. Find another one. There it is.
Yep. Get that ring, put it through your centre one, through your ball strap one.
On the arms first.
No, last.
Last. Yeah, I'm in.
Yep, got that on your arm.
I got one on.
Where's his gloves?
Other one.
Oh, there. Oh, you got one on the Sam?
Yep.
Yep.
Thank you.
That one.
That's that one, is it? You sure?
That one, isn't it?
No.
Oh, right. Sorry. Oh, I'm looking at this one.
Confusing me now. You want me to...
Hey, turn my fuel on. Down here.
Fuel on.
1 second. Go.
was insane.
Not too tight area, I don't want that hard on that head box.
Oh, I can't even concentrate.
Let it go back a bit. Let it go back a couple of inches.
Well, you've driven it up there.
That was insane.
Yeah, no, can we let it go back?
Yeah, you can.
Is that too much alky in your oil?
Hey?
Is that too much alky in your oil doing that? The oil pressure?
Well, what's it doing?
It was dropping right down to 0 when we come back, like off and on.
No.
No? Yeah, that's why I was pointing at the thing.
Have it on GoPro.
So this is Chris Edmonds. He's just taken me for a ride in this insane boat. Thank you so much, Chris. Just tell us a little bit about the boat, mate.
My pleasure. So it's a Stinger hull. It's 13 foot long. It's got a small block Chevy 1071 supercharger on it. It's capable of just over 2,000 horsepower.
And how much power has everyone else here got?
The world champion over there behind us is looking at about 1600.
So you got a fair bit more.
Oh yeah, but this thing, yeah, that excess of power,
Yeah.
is there's a heck of a lot of weight to make that power, and
that right? Yeah.
these things, that's what it looks like a basketball on the course. It's very, very heavy.
Yep. And obviously there's a lot more to it than power to weight. The jet, the intake,
Sure.
tuning.
Sure. So most of us all have a similar size jet unit, and it's all about the different combination of blade, fine tuned with the size of the nozzle, and then to fine tune the hull with the balance of the weight, the weight distribution, and that's where we struggle with this big girl. But we love it. The crowd loves it.
So to me, the drag race, it's traction.
Sure.
You're trying to get traction out there, yeah?
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, we can get the traction, but we're trying to get the handling as well. The boat gets unsettled in a turn, and it might just start bouncing.
Yep.
And with you on board, we didn't have that effect. So
Yep.
I understand what needs to be done a little bit more here.
Perfect. Thank you so much again, mate. Really appreciate it.
Thanks, Luke. Anytime.
Thank
It was
you,
my
mate.
pleasure.
Straight swap.
Straight swap.
Right, here we go. We got Zach. We've been getting absolutely swamped with orders lately, so a lot of you guys that call up over the phone will know Zach. You get him on the phone most of the time.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, that's the face of the name. And Zach's fresh off a ride in a jet boat as well, which was a surprise that got thrown at us. We didn't even know that was happening. And tell us about your boat ride.
I got to go in the just under 500 horsepower LS class boats. I got to go in Paul Hill and Slicer, their team. Shout out to them for letting me go in a hot lap with them.
How was it?
Oh, it was phenomenal. Hey, I was shaking when we got out of it. I never felt that sort of rush of adrenaline. We're going upwards of 100 kilometers an hour on the water, so.
I think it's the 100 kilometers an hour and turning like that.
Yeah.
I think that's the wild part.
I don't know what the navigators do in that role. I was in the navigator's seat. I'm not sure how they even track that.
I think at one point, I when they got up fast, and I kind of knew that the truck was supposed to turn, I thought, no way in the world we're going to turn here. And then it just turns. It's like, holy shit.
Yeah, it's unbelievable handling on some of those vehicles. I'm sure you guys will see that in some of the clips.
Yeah, we got some video of you going around the truck, Zach.
Yeah,
Yep, and we puck it up, mate.
Yeah, when they told me that we're putting on all the safety gear, and they said that I was chucking handcuffs on, I was like, what are you talking about? Putting handcuffs on, but so my arms don't fly out the boat. They told me that if it flips or something goes wrong, just to hold your breath and wait for the safety team. Don't breathe in any water. So that was fresh in my mind when we were doing the hot lap.
Did you let out a little squeal, a little yelp?
No squeals.
Nah, just
Yeah, just hold on.
There's nothing to hang on to.
Yeah.
It's harness.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
Hold on to your own seatbelt like that.
So yeah, and Zach's got our new Motorfab marine shirts to commemorate the jet boat series, and so they're live on the website now. Jump on, buy one of them. Zach will throw it in a bag and ship it out for you straight away. We got stock there ready to go.
Should get there pretty quick.
Yep, straight out, express. And big shout out to Paul Hill and the team.
Yeah, team from Slicer and Dwayne from Jet Boat Series.
Yeah,
for
Dwayne and Mitch
organising it.
for organising all that for sure. We've yeah, really appreciate what they've done. And what do you think about us doing this crazy little series that we did with this silly little boat that took us all the way to the world's fastest jet boats, mate?
Yeah, we've got to see if it makes it to Peel Island first.
Have confidence in me.
I think it will. I think it will. I've seen us do a few test runs, but
Seen it break a lot of times
yeah,
too.
yeah, nothing compared to what we're in on the weekend.
No, it's very slow in comparison, but anyway. Wow, what an amazing day. This little jet boat that we built on YouTube, sorry about the mud on my head, I'm a bit dirty, and you guys followed on YouTube the build. Well, quite a few people watched that YouTube series, and as a result of that build, we've been invited down here to jet boat heaven. This is insane. 2,000 horsepower jet boats and tiny, smaller boats than this that go around this track at an insane amount of speed.